All right, this couple weeks has been through its ups and downs. Some emails that I've been sending out, they've wanted a lot of copyright paperwork, and I just couldn't do it with me in school and doing online classes too. It was just hard to keep in contact with some famous artists like Young Sun Kim was another one that I was trying to track down. He does a lot of great work for the church, for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. So yeah, with artists, it's been really good. I got a hold of 3 different artists, and I've gotten their permissions to share their content. So I'm hoping to start that this next week. I've made some appointments with students, some of the followers actually that have offered to share a message, so that was pretty cool. I didn't really have to go out there and express like an appointment or anything like that, so that was pretty awesome. I accumulated about 18 followers, and I started following more people, and I've noticed that the content that they had, I've been just looking through all these people right here, just commenting and liking, and also just talking about their work and just giving them praise for what they do, and they share some awesome content too. This week I've done at least 3 posts. I've seen a lot of engagement. I've been working on my my digital content, which has been successful. This one in particular right here, I was very proud of. That picture is by one of my friends, and just racking up some good information was what I was looking forward to. I started making some stories up on the Instagram stories. I've noticed that my posts are getting more of the likes and the views according to my insights. So yeah, I'm coming up with a few more designs on my Canva, if it will pull up. There we go. So these are the ones I've been working on, but I'm hoping to proceed more, and I am in a digital content class, and they're sharing some awesome stuff, and one of them is this later.com, so I can post like media on a daily basis and through what time, and it would automatically go to Instagram. So that is one thing I will be starting soon. I'm very excited to do that. I'm already doing it with Hootsuite with that class, but it won't allow me to do my spiritual strengths. So I found later.com, and it was perfect. I've heard so many good things about it, so I'm very excited for that. Also, with the whole COVID situation, it's hard to get a hold of some students to share their testimonies or their struggles, so then that way I can get more of a college-aged follow. I'm grateful for the followers that I have so far. Most of them I've seen, though, are in their 30s, 40s, and most of them are female. So I'm driving in a female audience. So that's good too, as long as the messages are being shared. And I'm hoping to work more with artists was number one thing. My brother-in-law, he's one of the artists, and then I have 2 more lined up to share their work. So my goal is to have at least 6 posts per week. So I'm going to have 12 more, and I'm hoping to gather more of an audience and more content, more practice with digital and social media design, which is what I'm trying to shoot for. Also, so that was my second thing, and my third thing is to get more engaged through Instagram. Not only through commenting on posts that I'm following or people that are following me, but to also start Instagram stories with either questions or share more quotes, share more of like real life things that happen on a daily basis, share that I'm studying the gospel, and maybe have a IG TV of just why I was inspired to start this page. So, but yeah, I have a lot of great work ahead. I have not contacted brother, my mentor. I just forgot his name. Brother Skinner. Yeah, I need to contact him more. He's just been pretty busy with internships, so hoping to talk to him and get some feedback from him to see how I can drive this Instagram stories. So, but yeah, other than that, I'm doing pretty well, and I'm hoping to improve when it comes to more posts going out, more stories, and more of me actually participating in audience interactions. So I'm looking forward to these next 2 weeks. With Thanksgiving coming up, it's going to be great. Sharing more holiday and faith promoting stories and Instagram posts. So I'm very excited and I'm looking forward to it, especially with now using this wonderful plan. So yes, that is all that I have right now. Thanks.